Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back with you today to share how I'm planning this week in my passion planner. It's going to be really short because, heck, not a whole lot of plans, am I right? Beautiful new week, and I am using this Celebrate Happy Planner sticker book. It's about the cutest thing I've ever seen, and it's got tons of really great birthday stuff. And as luck would have it, I have a birthday in my family this week. My youngest son turns 13. It's crazy. Anyway, a whole nother tangent for a whole nother day. I'm going to place the first sticker on his birthday, which is Friday, this round sticker, and I'm going to cluster it together with these balloons to make a balloon bouquet. I'm not going crazy, just 3 of them because they're quite large. And then I'm going to draw strings and pretend strings, gather them together, and then draw a little bow for, like I said, a balloon bouquet. I could draw strings on that yellow balloon. I'm just choosing not to because, again, it's really kind of an imagination thing. Obviously, they're not real, and this isn't a real work of art. I'm also adding the confetti because it's a weekend, and I don't usually have too much going on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday anyway, and it looks really cute. So now I'm going to fill up the whole middle section with decor and then do my plans around it, and it's fine with me if it ends up being a little more crowded than usual. So I'm going to put this little banner over Friday to notate his birthday. I'll write his name on there, and then I will start filling in. So these party hats are going to be a central part because I just think they're freaking adorable, and they've got really great colors. And then this sticker is probably my favorite that's at least left in the box. So see, I'm going to add that little party hat on the end, and then I'm just choosing things to fill in. So for example, I put a little cake sticker right there because I could see a little bit of white space and it didn't feel quite as full as I was looking for. Now, ordinarily I would maybe add some full boxes underneath, but I didn't really have any, so just going with this. Layering the donut sticker and the balloons, so tying the balloons and the full box on that side, tying together the circles on both sides of the page, bringing a party hat over. And again, all of this is to fill in the white space, of course, but then also trying to tie both pages together and make them feel cohesive. And that cute little sticker, the circle sticker too, adorable. I just absolutely love it. And it takes up some white space. And it continues on the circle theme, which we have quite a bit of thanks to all of these really great balloons. And then right there, we're able to add one of those little banners. There's just so many stickers in here I really wanted to include because they're so stinking cute. But obviously, I don't have room to add all of the stickers, so I had to be a little bit judicious and make sure that I was able to not only fill the theme, but coordinate on both sides as well. So I'm going to trim the excess of that one off. That's one of my very favorite things, and you see me do it most weeks, is add something right flush to a straight line and then cut it off just because I like the way that looks. Now I'm looking for some boxes to use to notate our appointments and things, and there are boxes in here, but they feel really birthday, obviously, and I don't feel like covering them with icons or cutting them, so I'm just going to pull out colorful boxes and substitute instead. And on a different day, I might use those other birthday boxes, but today it just didn't feel like what I wanted to do. So no matter, we'll pull out another sticker book that I don't use too terribly often and use that one instead. So I'm just sticking down boxes where I have activities. So that's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Nothing for Thursday yet. And then obviously I already put the banner on Friday, my son's birthday. So now I'll fill in those boxes also. And if you're new to my channel, which most of you probably are not, I just use initials. We all have different first initials, and so that's not a problem. And obviously I know who is who. Now I did, in my other planner this week, write out a full name, and it felt so weird because I don't normally do that because of the way that I use my stickers. I usually write the time and then the initials on the top line, and it works really, really well for me. But, I just wrote out the full name, and it was weird. Adding a tiny bit of washi over that line just because I don't want to leave the original text, and I always love to use a little good pop of washi. It's so cute. And then we're going back in and I'm going to decorate that lower right hand corner because that whole big space, I still haven't quite figured out, let's be honest, I actually haven't really given it much thought, how to decorate it yet or use it yet. And I know I'll get there. It's great. It doesn't bother me at all, but I do like to add a little bit of decor there because it's fun and I might as well, and it's there. So I am trimming off the edge of that balloon. It really just looks like a sticker, but it's so cute. And especially combined with that hooray and the two O's in that, they just go really, really well together. And if you can guess, what am I going to add? Who's got a guess? Yep, a party hat because they're so cute. And just the perfect accent to this as well. So now I'm just writing my son's name here for Friday because that's his birthday. And then look at that. It's so cute. I love it, love it, love it. Now I also need to add a little bit for meal planning as well. So I'm pulling out my sticker book that I put together with sheets that I bought on Amazon. And then that's it for this week. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.